Dis Kuns en Vermaak met Mariana Lourens. Yes, art and entertainment with Mariana Lourens. And I have a very exciting project that I'm looking forward to. At least it's not my project, no, but it's the children in our community. They are, to me, they're kids. I mean, they're like my grandchildren. So nice to have you here. Let's start with the flower. What do they call you? Fundiswa.
Yes.
They call you Fundiswa, but the director and scriptwriter of the show that we're going to talk about, they call her Flower. So there must be a reason. I can actually see why. She's beautiful. And then we've got Kamba. You're not a stranger.
Yes.
No, we've seen each other a couple of times, yeah, and you've told us about all the different stuff because you've got a heart for community. Yes. We all need to get in there and help our community, our young people, our performers. I mean, specifically, we are for performers, aren't we?
Yes.
And then I have Sia.
Yes,
And what do they call you, Sia, or do they call you Siamtanda?
Yes, it's Siamtanda.
Do they call you that all the time? Everybody.
It's just the
I thought so, yeah. Because the friends always shorten it. Yes, totally. And of course, you written the script.
No,
she wrote the script, and you act.
Yes, I act.
But you act too. Yeah, because you all act. You act as well.
Yeah, we all act as well.
Yeah, you've all acted, and your director, of course, is Kamba, but he likes directing more than people around. So he's the best one for this. So our show is called Inqina. How do I say it? Inqina?
Inqina's form.
Inqina.
Inqina's form.
Inqina.
Yes.
Inqina.
Yes.
So there's no G.
No.
The G is gone, disappeared. Inqina. Okay, Sifuba.
Yes.
And what does that mean?
It's all about secrets.
It's about secrets. So we're not going to actually talk about those secrets here because the people must come and see the show.
Yes.
So I'll start with the script writer. Where did the story start for you? How old are you, first of all?
I'm 21 years.
You're 21 and you wrote this play.
Yes.
And of course we are William production. Yes. And you've been quite busy, you guys.
Yes.
You wrote the script for the production, or you've had it in the bottom drawer, or what?
That day I was just stressed out. I don't know why, but I took a pen and write everything. So I sent it to Kam, said that, no, this is a story, we can play it.
And then did you have to rewrite dialogue into it? You didn't?
No, I didn't write the dialogue. It's just going to edit it to do a script, everything.
But what I mean is, it was already written
as a story.
Yes. But so now,
the script.
how many actors are there?
Yeah, I think it was 7.
7 actors.
For now.
For now.
Yeah.
You can always add.
Yeah, something.
One of those plays where you can always add. Okay. So the story was written by you out of your frustration, but it's evolved into many people's dialogue in there. So how do they get their dialogue?
Where we introduce the main character. So the character is being born.
Does the character actually, whoever comes and auditions and get the role, or don't they audition?
We already have our actors.
You already have your actors, so you choose, this one could be able to do this character.
Yeah.
And then do they get words?
Yeah, we do write dialogues.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking about the dialogue.
Yeah.
So who writes the dialogue?
I wrote the dialogue.
You wrote the dialogue.
Yeah.
So actually then you were co-writers, the story was born from the frustrated one.
Yeah.
And then the dialogue was written by the gifted writer, the author, because he's already done other things as well. And that just to get to you, Kama, because, as I said already, you've got a heart for the community, heart for art, and we like to just promote our people. And so now, writing this, because you've also done other things, lots of other things. We won't go there now. How did you then choose your characters according to the dialogue you already had that you'd already written?
The story itself is a sad story. It's a dark story.
A dark story.
It's a black story. So, according to the actors that I have, I just look at their capabilities of acting, and I look at the story. Then it's kind of easy to create or design a character if I see in flesh.
And because from her ideas that she frustrated, that she put on paper, then do you put it on paper for them to learn?
Yes, there is a script.
Okay, you wrote the script. So you were the script writer. Because although you wrote the story, then you wrote the script. So it's a collaboration there. You must write that on your poster. Written by, script collaborated between.
Yeah, the poster's going to be easier.
Yeah, no, there's a lot of information on the poster because it's going to be on the 20th. And it's going to be amazing. It's going to be at Missionvale Care Centre, and the tickets are only going to be 50 Rand, and you're going to be the actor.
Yes.
One of the actors.
One of the actors.
One of the actors. So tell me now, Sia, your part.
My part in the story. I wouldn't say I'm a main character in the story, but
we're very squeaky here because there's a squeaky gate, just outside our green room. We're in the green room, we're in the Athenaeum, inside the little theatre, and the green room is behind the stage, and it's usually very quiet. We know that because the green rooms are a quiet place, right? Supposed to be. But this one has got the squeaky gate outside. So sorry, Sia, you were interrupted there by the squeaking gate.
No problem. As I was saying, I'm not the main character, but the setting of the play or of the story mostly involves me.
Do they talk about you a lot?
I would say not much.
He's the trouble of the story.
Yeah.
He's the troublemaker.
He's the troublemaker.
He's the problem. Are you the problem?
In the story. Not in reality, no.
No, in the story.
Yes. I am the troublemaker in the story.
So that's why the meaning of the title is
Imina Sfuba.
Which in English, 2 words?
2 words in English, it's just about keeping secrets.
Your chest. It's full by the chest.
So
it's something that you keep. So
you keep it. So all these troubles are hidden almost. And do they have to come out then? Or do they come out? I'm sure they do. Because
they do come out.
Yes, they do come out. But we're not going to let them come out here.
Yeah.
How did you feel when he put all your frustrations? and I'm sure did you turn it into secrets?
No.
Did you turn it into secrets, or was it secrets that she told you? How does the secrets come about?
Okay, so for me, I would say, for her to write the story, she was stressed, and there was something that she was bottling inside her.
She was bottling it inside of her.
Yeah.
Okay, she was cropping things up, not speaking.
Instead of writing the actual story, so we made something like a copy of the story, like a replication of the story, but not a straight story of her personal life.
No, because
So,
you always, that's what authors do. They write things down and then they change it into a story for everybody else to hear because they don't want people to actually personify. Right.
Yeah. So that's how the story came out.
Okay. And so all the other characters are the ones who talk around this problem. What's your name, Sia, in the
play? It's some propose.
Genade. Granny. How does the Afrikaans granny remember that? Nkopozi.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's it.
Nkopozi.
Yeah.
Nkopozi. And does your name mean anything?
I would say it does have a meaning because the thing ukopoza,
Yeah.
it's something else. Then I can say maybe this is a jersey. Then I take this jersey and change the name of this jersey, like this BLM production, make it like Mbuela. It's sort of change. So
You make it a sweater with writing on it.
Yeah.
Now it's not a jersey anymore. It's now got meaning. Not only does it keep you warm, but it's also got something written on it, like that.
That's something like
Very good analogy.
that.
My word. And how long have you been acting, Sia?
I started acting.
How old are you? Just to ask
Okay,
you
just-
also.
Yeah, I'm the youngest. I'm 19 years old.
You're 90.
Yes.
He's the tallest. And he's
so
90.
that's right. Yeah.
You're Robert, you're the tall one.
Yeah, as I was saying, I started acting in grade 8, grade 9, which was 2016.
In 70.
2016. 2016. Yeah, I did acting for about a year in 2016. Then I paused. I wouldn't say I stopped. I paused
Oh,
it
yes.
up until 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah, up until 2020. Then started again here and there. But the actual thing now, it started here in 2021. This year. It's the year that I became the part of the production. as well.
Okay. And when you were in grade, what did
Nine.
you say? 9? Grade 8, grade 9?
Yes.
Grade 8, were you still dreaming about it? And then grade 9, did you grab the courage?
Yeah, something like that. Yes.
Tell me, was it school productions or outside
At that
productions?
time, no, it was outside productions because we were mentored by someone who was in that school but already left there. So
Okay.
he was doing his own thing on the side.
So you were doing outside, you were able to actually do productions, be part of productions
Productions
outside.
outside.
And what kind of productions were they? Were they also plays or were they musicals or
It was plays, a bit of music, but mostly plays.
mostly plays?
Yeah, mostly
Yes.
plays.
Because in PE also we're very versatile. We have musicals, we have dramas, we have bands, all genres.
Yes.
All the hip hops and the reggaes and the everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
ma'am.
Do you sing at all?
I try.
Right.
Yes,
So if you're in a
I try.
production where you have to sing, then you will.
Yes, that was.
Okay. Yeah. And how long is the play about?
Approximately an hour.
About an hour.
Let's say an hour and a half.
Is it with the interval? Is it an interval?
So it sounds, I think what makes it long, it's not the line, it's the movement and music.
Okay, so there is movement and music in it.
Yes.
So where does it begin?
The setting of the play.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Who wants to tell? Because it's actually your story.
Okay, it started at rural areas.
In the rural areas, that's where it starts.
Yes.
Then the female, one of the main actors, female, is being born. So it's like, it's a, how do you call it, a labor. Yeah.
She's in labor.
She's in labor.
She's in labor.
Aha.
She's in labor.
Okay.
It's very
It starts off with a female being in labor.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're introducing the character. It's like it's being born.
Yes.
So throughout the story, that character will grow and grow and be.
And then is it a story that follows? And then in between you've got the music and dancing worked into the story?
Yeah, the opening is music.
The opening is music
Then there's music in between.
and in between. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's say in the change of scenery, there's a little bit of music here. And there.
Okay, do you have little interludes while you're changing scenery
Yeah.
with the music? Yeah, okay. Oh, my word, time has flown. Let me ask our flower here, Kundiswa, how did you get into acting? Or do you like writing? Which is better, acting, writing? Are you also acting?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Both, I love them because I started acting when I was in school in grade 11, but I stopped. Then I met Canvas in BLM production. I went there. I was an actress also. So I wrote the story. I was just stressed. So I wrote the story, gave it to him.
Because you knew
Yes.
he would process
I
it.
didn't know that I can write something. Yes.
Now you know.
Yes, I do know.
Yes. Okay. But do you also dance and act and sing?
Sing.
Sing. Yeah, sort of. We can all hold our own, but dancing is a different story.
Yes.
I always say you have to learn to dance when you're 2-3 years old if you want to really do those very nice, beautiful dances that they do. But even the hip hop people, they're amazing. But come on now, you also were involved in the Shakespeare
Yeah, you missed
production.
You were not there.
No, it was here. It was
Yeah.
in this.
Yes.
You were in this green room in between. Were you all in it?
Yes.
Yeah, do it.
Okay. Yeah. I think where was I away? Was I away? Something happened that I couldn't come.
Yeah, because I didn't
Yeah.
see it.
But I was so sorry that I couldn't be here.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it was probably one of those things. But now tell me, the play, it's taking place at Mission Vale Care Centre.
Yes.
And it's at 4 o'clock. So it's not going to end too late. People won't have to be in the streets after dark.
Yeah, it's just way enough hour.
Mission Vale Care Centre has got a lovely hall.
Yeah.
I know I've been there. And it's 50 Rand a ticket. Now, what do they do to get the ticket?
It's either you inbox me on Facebook or you get my number or you pay at the door.
Pay at the door.
Yeah.
So they can pay at the door. Or you can look for Kamva, and it's as you say it, Kamva, Mabija. You can inbox him on Facebook. Or Buelemo Productions, aren't you?
Yeah.
You
On
also. And it's BUYELEMBO, or is it the one with the comma in?
Yeah, it's the one with the comma.
Okay, so it's BUYL and then the comma. It's like by, B-U-Y, and then E-L, comma, M-B-O Productions. And that you'll find on Facebook as well.
Yes.
Or you can phone, and I've got a phone number here, 084 59 807.
Yes.
Is that the number? Do you want to repeat that?
And it's 084 590 0807.
And it's going to be amazing. I just know it. I
Yeah,
can just
of
hear it.
course.
It's probably very interesting. It's going to be interesting,
Yes.
right? Because we've got Mr. Trouble sitting right here. But he is not trouble at all. I can see he's actually a nice guy. It's on the 20th of November. And on what day is it? A Saturday?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's
Saturday.
It's Saturday, the 20th of November. It's at Mission Vale Care Centre. I want to, each of you, just say one last sentence.
I can say through art we can involve everyone.
Evolve everyone.
Yeah.
And you, Sia?
I can say, Nane, if I can make it, you also can do it.
Amen. I agree with that. And our flower, Fundiswa,
I can say, keep on dreaming.
keep on dreaming.
Yes.
Follow your dreams. Yeah, we
a
can all
dream
do
can
it.
one day be a reality.
Be reality.
Yeah.
I want to thank you so much for coming, and I wish you break a leg there with the production.
Yes.
Everything of the best. And we'll say watch this space, because afterwards we may be able have to talk about all the troubles that came out there. So thank you very much. And really it's time now to say goodbye. So goodbye everyone.
Bye.
Bye from Mariana Lawrence and Art and Entertainment. Baie dankie vir jou luister. Ek moet groet Mariana Lawrence en Kuns en Vermaak wat sê arrivederci.